Good Tuesday morning, July 3rd, the day before Independence Day. So I wanted to talk today about source energy. Been doing a lot with the law of attraction lately, and source energy is a critical piece to the whole law of attraction theory, law, and everything else to do with attracting and manifesting the life of your dreams. So, source energy, this camera is not working well today. There we go. Source energy is really the universe itself, right? This is the energy that we all feel, the energy that helps us to manifest the things that we desire, the energy that connects all of us. So, we are source energy. Source energy is us, and we are it. So, really, if you think about source energy from the perspective of a human, and you look at it in the way that many religions and many philosophies have looked at it throughout the millennia, it's really source energy is God in essence. And I know a lot of religions tend to give God emotion and feelings, and make it sound like that if we don't heed God, that we will be smited by Him. Not necessarily the case. In my opinion, again, I'm not trying to force my beliefs on you, but I also want you to understand that maybe there's more to the picture than just an angry God that's gonna smite you if you don't do what it wants. So it's really, in my opinion, not that simple. So if you look at it from the perspective of a human and you say, okay, so what is source energy? So source energy, again, is that energy that links us all together. It's inside of us. It allows us the ability to create like God and be able to create and manifest the lives that we desire. Now, because we have access to source energy, we can really, truly use the law of attraction and make everything in our imagination become possible. Anything you can imagine can become possible. Now, we talked yesterday a little bit about some of the things that can hold you back from manifesting the life of your dreams. But I want to talk a little bit today about what it feels like to connect with source energy, to have that alignment that we keep talking about. And I'll tell you, when you're connected to source and you feel and you act through source, everything just kind of flows. They say flow state, right? When you think about flow state, just imagine that source energy is coming through you and flowing out of you through your words, your thoughts, feelings, beliefs, and actions. All those, so source energy is coming into you, and then you're flowing out through you in how you conduct yourself in the world. And if you act in alignment with source energy, that's when the magic of your life really begins to happen, and you get joy out of every day, no matter what's going on around you. And that's what's interesting too, is that if you act from source, the circumstances that surround you, you're going to focus on different things. So you're going to actually focus on positive as opposed to the negative. So how do you connect to source, right? So and we've talked a little bit about this before. So meditation plays a huge role in not only changing your thoughts and feelings and beliefs, but also in your connection to source energy and using and eliminating really any possibility of the negativity that surrounds you, not allowing the doubt or the fear to block you from source. And so the blocks, again, are the same things that block you from using the law of attraction. It's doubt and fear that block you from really having a lot of goodness in your life. So when you meditate, you're able to get down to your subconscious mind and kind of get past your conscious faculty, if you will, and you're able to basically bypass any thoughts of fear or doubt. And when you're able to do that, you're able to more readily change your belief system. And as you change your beliefs, you'll start to eliminate that fear and doubt, and you'll be able to actually access Source regularly. But it does take some time. Usually, even now, I mean, I've been meditating off and on for probably close to 5 years, and I have, it's you go through phases. You go through times when, like, there's times when it's easier for me to connect to Source, and there's times when it's more difficult. To me, I think it maybe depends sometimes on how often I meditate. If I'm not meditating every day, then I can definitely start to feel the drain in life, and it can feel frustrating. So I make it a point to definitely at least to meditate at least once a day. And I try to, even sometimes throughout my day, I'll take a few minutes, quiet minutes, and just do some deep breathing and let my mind kind of wander for a bit, just to give myself that time to relax and be calm and connect to Source energy. And even so, say I'm going into a stressful situation, or I'm going to have a day that I know, something's going to come up, or something does come up that I didn't expect. Sometimes I'll take a minute after something like that to just kind of take in, let my thoughts wander, breathe easy, breathe deep, just to be able to focus a little more. And usually, if I'm in a stressful situation, I take myself out of it. I'm able to relax. I can see more perspectives. I can see another idea or another way to fix the problem or whatever's going on. So, anyways, I just wanted to make this quick video about connecting to Source energy through meditation, and basically how you do that. And I know if you haven't meditated before, it's not really that hard. All you really need to do is just close out. If you want to do it on your own, just close your eyes down and just deep breathing and focus on your breath. Focus your mind onto your breath. Feel what it feels like to breathe in and out, and just focus on that. And your mind's going to wander, and as it wanders, bring it back to your breath and let it clear out. And then as you clear, you become more in line with Source energy, and you'll feel the power. When you're in line with Source energy, you feel powerful. You feel like you're in control. So it's a really cool feeling. It's really fun to be in that state of mind. And my goal in my life is to stay in that state of mind as often as I can, because I know that is where we as humans have the power to create our reality. So anyway, hey, my new book's coming out July 20th. It's called The Game of Serendipity. It's all about the 12 universal laws, so a lot of cool concepts in there. And I look forward to you guys checking that out. I also have my first book, My True Serendipity, which you can get on Amazon. I'll link to it below. If you liked the video, thumbs up. Click the bell so you get more videos just like this as I release them. And we'll see you in the next video.